Fourth, you're so stupid. Lydia Force, that was a damn retarded. You look like this. Hey, you look this? Lydia Force. Come on, Orange. Let's go to them. Millennium Force. What are you going? We're going to the downstairs. Oh, Millennium Force, you're so stupid. Like this. Don't. Oh, Millennium Force, why they're all down? Like this. Okay. You stay here. You stay here. Oh, Lydia Force, where's your meat palm? Meat palm? Oh, Lydia Force, pea palm is really great. Don't talk to me. Oh, Lydia Force, now you just watch me and me you say. Come on, Orange. Millennium Force, time to airplots. What do you mean you're so stupid? Like a mod, you say. Come on, Orange. We're gonna miss a golden airport. We're gonna miss it. We're all gonna miss that. Oh, Millennium Force, that was stupid. Just watch. Okay, come on, Orange. Millennium Force, you're so stupid. Hey. Oh, Millennium Force, you're so stupid. Stop poking me in the eye. Don't dump me in the trash. Ew, gross. Get me out of the trash. You're so stupid.